Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Siser Stripflock. I'm going to make a Father's Day t-shirt. First, you're going to pick your design on your Cricut design space. I've already picked mine and I have already mirrored it right there. And I'm using the whole mat of the 12 by 12. Next, you're gonna cut your vinyl, your Stripflock vinyl to the sizing of the image. Next, you're gonna click on your materials. I actually have my Cricut set on custom. Click on iron on, and I'm actually gonna click on the glitter iron on. And I'm going to click on fast mode, and then it's ready. Next, you're gonna get your weeding tool and remove the excess. Oh my God, which one is it? Start from back here. And this is close to the end result. After you've placed your design onto the shirt, make sure you have your iron ready. And then also place parchment paper on top of your design because you don't want to melt your design. Put it on top, and then you start ironing on top. And make sure you press firmly all over so it gets equal pressure. Next, you're gonna peel off the plastic. Make sure you do it carefully. Maybe lifting like this, just place your parchment paper on top of your design and re-iron again. Here is the final result. I really like this material. It has a suede feel. Super cool. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.